Hello everyone, this is going to be Unit 11 and the professor who you see doing the presentation is my colleague Arpad Popfari, and he is the Dean of the Faculty of Business, Communication and Tourism. In this unit is broken into 4 segments, and in the first one he's going to talk about fundamental European cultural values, namely, for example, human dignity, freedom, rule of law, equality, human rights and democracy.
In this unit, we will talk about European identity and values reflected in culture. And the topic is very interesting also from that aspect. If you have a look at this map, what you will notice that Europe actually is quite a small continent. You can compare it to Australia with New Zealand, but Asia, North America, South America, Africa, those continents are much bigger. Still, this continent gave many things to the world, including cultural inventions. And also, what is interesting to see that the European Union consists 27 different countries. Countries such as Portugal, France, Spain, Sweden, Slovenia, and so on. United Kingdom just left a few weeks ago. So now there are 27 countries in the European Union. But it's more than a geographical unit. In Europe, we have shared values, common culture. So in this unit, I will talk about this and give you more information about the topic. First of all, let's have a look at the values of the European Union. What you will see here first, human dignity. It must be respected, protected, and constitutes the real basis of fundamental rights in the European Union. Second is freedom, which means freedom of movement, which gives citizens the right to move and reside freely within the Union. But also, it touches individual freedoms such as respect for private life, freedom of thought, religion, expression, and information. Third thing is the rule of law. The EU is based on the rule of law. So what does this mean? Everything the EU does, it's funded on treaties, voluntary and democratically agreed by its EU countries. Fourth is equality. Equal rights for all citizens before the law. Although inequality still exists, the EU has made significant progress. Human rights, protected by the EU Charter of Fundamental Rights. These cover the right to be free from discrimination on the basis of sex, racial or ethnic origin, religion or belief, disability, age or sexual orientation, the right to the protection of your personal data, and the right to get access to justice. And last but not least, democracy. The functioning of the European Union is founded on representative democracy. So being a European citizen also means enjoying political rights. So these are the values of the European Union. But we can also talk about some kind of cultural values. Let me show you an example. What you will see here is some kind of campaign by the Culture Action Europe. And the values you will see here, that what they want in Europe is democratic, diverse, fair, free, human, inclusive, and vital culture. And also, when we talk about the European Union, we say it's unity in diversity.